Everybody look at me, take another look at me, I'm beautiful. Everyone be good to me, do the things you should to me, I'm beautiful. The weekend is over, yeah, we had a good time. The world's on our shoulders, but we're gonna be fine. Hoping that one day we'll be truly free. Cheers, mate. Beautiful Monday, beautiful me. Everybody look at me, take another look at me, I'm beautiful. Everyone be good to me, do the things you should to me, I'm beautiful. And we're all gonna make a difference, it's true. Yeah, we're all gonna make a difference, it's true. Yeah, we're all gonna make a difference. All gonna make a difference, it's true.
Pretty good, mate.
18, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You sure?
That's all I've got.
It's £3, mate.
Come on, I've barely eaten all day.
It's £3.
Can you let me off 9p?
No.
All right, I'll tell you what, look, I'll play you a little song, yeah? How about that? Play you a little song and you let me off 9p, okay? All right. There once was a man who let me off 9p. I really liked him and so did he. Thanks, mate. That's great.
Don't come back.
Okay.
Don't want you here. Go on.
All right. Okay, I'm going. Thanks a lot. Sorry.
Yo, Elvis. Get in.
Whose is it?
The bloke who forgot to lock it. I found D. Have some.
Hey, I'm here. No.
That's
See,
nice.
I'm here.
That's
I'm
nice.
here. Come on, you don't have to do this,
Oh,
please.
yes, I do. You're late.
Who are these?
I don't know. It's your car.
How long have they been here? Hey, what are you doing in my car? You didn't knock on these doors.
James.
Why should I? What you
James.
want your private life?
James.
This isn't my private
James, come on,
life.
wake up. You can't do this. Not now,
Did you
man.
see them get in?
Do I look like a genie?
From a certain angle. Hey, what? Come back here. Get after him, will you? Hey,
This is not Batman and Robin, you know.
Hey.
Pay for the ticket and move.
wake
the
up,
car.
you're in my car. Hey. Well, he's not moving.
Hi.
What do you do, nick an orderly's uniform?
No, I didn't nick it. Nurse gave it to me because they lost my T-shirt.
Right. You know the drill. Sign that one and take that one to the chemist every day for your methadone. Check in with me every 2 weeks, and addicts who stop the methadone treatment and go back to heroin have a higher percentage of
ODing. Yep, I know this already.
It's my job to tell you. Fall off the methadone and it's more likely you'll OD the next time you do heroin. And you could well die. Is there anyone I can call? Any relative, anywhere?
I'm kind of solo these days.
No word from your dad? Or mum?
Yeah. Get lost. Guess that's 2 words.
Here you go.
Thank you. But it's like a river song. It never really ends or starts. Some days you go out and you don't come back. You come back to someone new. all the pain and all the hurt and all the lonely nights. Well, it's all a part of you. Some people, they don't mean to bring it down. Sometimes they got a good heart. Well, I know the two good people can be two good people apart.
Come on your way.
Well, all that really matters is you don't stop trying. All that really matters is you don't stop trying. All that really matters is you don't stop trying. Don't give up. Don't give up.
I would.
Val?
Hey, come in.
Wow.
Welcome home. You okay? It was a little bit stuffy, so we'll just open the window.
Hot water.
Look, I've got to run. Keys?
Right, yep. Val,
You're welcome. Oh, and I put some cereal in the kitchen and milk in the fridge.
I don't know what to say.
Say you're going to stay in the programme and you won't miss our next meeting.
I promise you. Cross my heart, hope to die.
Okay.
I'm seriously armed. That was you making all the noise. How'd you get... Oh, I see. That's the trick I hear. Come on. Up you come, look. Look at that. There's gonna be a family worried about you. You better go home now. Hmm? No. This way. I know, but I think it's time you better go home. Hey, this way. There you go. Yeah. Go on. Go out there. That's it, go on. No, don't look at me like that. Okay? All right then. One night. Okay? And then I'm gonna take you back to your owner. Come on. There you go. Someone will come looking for you. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
All right.
That's the turn, right?
I'm a mess, but I love you dearly. System so it please, and I'll grind it all to dust and all the rest. The bit parts are best.
Hey, come on your way.
Oh, don't do this, mate.
You know the rules, you're causing an obstruction.
I'm just trying to make a living here. I'm not in anyone's way.
It's an health and safety issue. If you stand there, you're obstructing the exit.
Yeah, well, if you stand there, you're obstructing the exit.
One
aren't
toot
you?
on this, mate, they'll haul you away. If it was up to me, I'd arrest a lot of you.
Sure you would.
Listen, vermin. Then we haven't got enough to do.
Dad? Dad? Hey, Dad. What are you doing here?
Oh, we're a little bit shopping, this and that.
Oh, yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I've stopped using on the program.
Again?
Yeah, won't be like last time. My own flat now and everything. Mm-hmm.
Jack,
You remember Hillary?
Hi.
yeah, we're late, darling. I'm sorry. We've got to.
We were just chatting about Christmas, actually. You know, family and all that, coming together, Christmas dinner. Right, Dad?
Well, I wish we'd known. Unfortunately, our table's full, so.
Always room for one more at Christmas, no?
Don't you think, darling? Maybe one more would...
What, in our house? We'll have children there.
Hey?
What's that supposed to mean?
Jack, we're late. Come.
I'm not contagious, you know.
Craig, take this.
No, I don't want the money.
Here. Maybe New Year's, okay? Darling? Hold up. Oh, please, wait up.
Yeah. Hey, mate. Hey, boy. It's okay. It's okay. You're hurt. What have you been doing today? Have you been in a fight? Is it okay if I take you and try and find your owner? Is that okay? It's okay. We're down here. Hi there. I've just found this cat, and he's hurt himself.
A stray?
I don't know.
You're asking us to put him down?
What? No.
Do you know how many stray cats there are in London? It's an epidemic.
Well, he's got a name. It's Bob, and the wound it's purulent.
Take a number.
Hi. He did great.
Okay. Yeah. Come on, then, mister. In you get. That's it. Good boy.
Okay.
Okay.
And you get your pills from the front desk.
Okay.
£22.
What? I thought you said this place was free.
Not the drugs.
Sorry, mate. Hang on. That's all I've got. Come on, he's really sick. All right, mate. This is my food money for the next week.
It's up to you.
Right. Come on, Bob. Time for your medicine. This is gonna make you feel better. Yeah. Twice a day for 2 weeks. What they said. No. Come here. Right. No. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Bob. Hey! Come here. Come here. All right, come here. Look. What's that? Bob!
Oh, I know.
I swear he wasn't like this earlier.
Yeah, well, I've had practice. An intact male alone on the streets. It's the worst life imaginable. They fight for food, they fight for territory.
Don't need to imagine that, do
If
we?
you can't give him a home, at least give him the chance to stay alive. Now, ordinarily, I don't touch meat, but Bob's gonna need some protein, so...
Another one? You wanna go up high? Go on, Bob. You've got your strength back. Come on. See, there you go. Yeah, I'm your hero now. No, Bob! Bob, no. Naughty. Oi, no, look, Bob. I've got to go to work, all right? I can't take care of you. I wish I could, but I can't. Look at the big world out there, waiting for you. Go and explore it, hey? That's it. Good boy. So long, Bob. Come on. This is silly now. What did I just say? You're gonna get yourself run over. Hey, it's not safe out here. I mean it. You can't come with me. Hey, Bob. Come on, go back to the grass. Go on. Good boy. Good boy. What are you doing here? Hey, no, don't go over there. He's not even my cat. He's just followed me on to the bus. Haven't you? Hey?
Oh, isn't he lovely?
Is it okay that he's on here?
Oh, I don't know. We paid for him.
2 for 1? Hey, do you want to go up here? There you go. It's a good view. Yeah. What are you doing following me into town, hey? Hey, Bob. Look at those, hey? Yeah, you're a lion. You're a lion. Yeah. They got nothing on you, mate.
Yeah, would this help, love?
That's perfect.
Oh, you've done it all.
But that's good, it's a bit thicker.
Yeah. Not too tight now.
No, I know. It's just if he gets spooked, you know, in town, I don't want him to run off. He's not actually mine, you know, he's a stray.
Oh, you don't look like a stray to me.
Yeah, I know. Good boy, good boy. Come on, go on, Bob. This way. We're not going to make any money here, mate. Come on, this way. Good boy. On we go. Bob, 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 Bob. Sorry. Good boy, good boy. That's enough shopping for one day. Bob, come on. Come on. Tell you what, you jump up here, okay? Look, we haven't got all day, come on. Good boy. That better up there? This is Covent Garden. You okay, Bob?
Oh, look at his cat. Oh, I could eat you up.
She doesn't mean it.
He's gorgeous.
Thank you. Look at that. I'd like to see you do that.
Hey,
Hi.
can I have a photo?
You all right? Yeah, okay, sure. Say cheese, Bob. All right? Okay. You're quite the little party piece, aren't you? Hey?
Oh, look, he's so cute. Look at the car.
Hi. Want to say hello? We're playing now over there, so if you want to come and watch, then...
You want to?
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good work getting the punt, is it? Make you feel alive. Satellite moments that light up the sky. Satellite moments just passing by. Satellite moments are just passing by. High five. Hey, high five. Do you know what just happened? Look at this. Hey? You are a wonderful little being, aren't you?
Got yourself a lovely ginger, all right.
Yeah.
I had a ginger Tom just like him once. Loved him with all my heart.
He's got a mind of his own.
Oh, and that's the point. The ginger's got wills like iron, they have. Mine wouldn't leave my side to his last breath. You got yourself a lifelong partner there. Better friends than people they are. Believe me.
Hey, mister, you have put in a shift today, haven't you? Dinner is served. Hey? You played a blinder. There you go. Bob. Bob. Yeah, you're gonna be a professional cat harness wearer now. What do you think about that? Sleep in heavenly peace. Thank you very much. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Oh, hi. I hope you don't mind, but I got Bob a little something for Christmas.
Oh, look at that, Bob. You want a bit of that?
And I made him a little something.
Oh, you shouldn't have. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that, eh?
I think he likes it.
Thank you so much. You're an angel.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far. I wasn't always a little old lady.
Thank you. Look at that, Bob. Gonna have that later. All right, we need some real food, Bob. What's it gonna be? Want some hot dogs? No? Okay. No. Right, so, what do you fancy? Wild Pacific pink salmon. Is that a yes? Okay, we'll get one of them. What else? Some tuna? Yeah? Yeah, that's a yes for that as well. What else? Bone sardines. Yeah, you want that, don't you? Okay, that's good. Salmon, tuna, sardines. Good to go? All right. We are gonna eat like kings tomorrow, Bob. Tell you what. We'll get a bunch of these as well, please. Of course. You like them? Oi. Bob, they're for Betty. Thank you, Bob.
Hey, you're doing great.
I want to be clean. I want to live a life, you know. This kid I knew, Baz, he OD'd, he died, and, I don't want to go that way.
I know. After the holidays.
Yeah. You know what? Let's put you under here.
Go. They're gonna be here in a
I think 2 surprise guests might be more than they can handle. No, come on. Come on. Goodbye.
Oh, near the door now. All right.
Happy New Year. Yeah, thanks. How you doing? All right? Nice house. Hi, kids.
Girls, you remember your brother?
Chris, Faith, this is James.
You've grown up so much since I last saw you.
Yeah, James, this is...
And Mummy doesn't like you. Mummy says you're a junkie. I didn't cheat, you cheated. Did not you cheated.
Says I'm a junkie.
Stop it, girls, come on.
Where did you get that idea from?
Stop it, please.
You can't be here. We've got guests coming.
Go. Mummy will be down
I thought you said New Year's would be okay.
I said maybe. You should have called.
He's a junkie, he's a junkie.
will you leave the
James is
tree
a junkie.
I'm a recovering addict, actually.
Daddy, he's got a cat.
What the hell?
Hey, kids. Meet Bob. Hey, Bob. Bob. Bob.
Chris, leave it!
Bob, Faith, stop screaming!
Jack, what is going on? They're coming at 8.
It's James.
Hey, Hillary. Happy New Year. Bob.
What's he doing here?
What's the matter, Mummy? He's got a cat.
But she's allergic.
I know!
Briss, stop chasing!
Get that thing out of here. She'll have an attack.
I'm trying.
James, please.
Come on, Bob. Come on in, mate. Come here. Bob, come
Well,
on,
for
mate.
goodness sake, James.
Bob!
No!
That was my mother's.
No.
Bob? Bob! I'm so sorry.
Get out of my house!
Come on, Tom.
You and your creature, just get out!
Come on, mate. I'm sorry. It's okay, come on. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down.
He's my son. What do you think I'm going to do? Close the door in his face?
Okay, let's get your lead on.
I want to stroke him. Can I?
Yeah, you can try.
So cute.
Happy New Year, Dad. Big issue. Come on, guys. Give it a try. Help Bob and I. Big issue. Hey,
Hello.
big issue.
Can I have a selfie with the cat?
You take a picture, and then you buy paper. How's that?
Oh,
Is that
you
a
are
deal?
a good businessman.
Yeah.
I like
Well, you
it.
know. Come on, Bob. Look at the
Oh,
camera.
I can't get everyone in.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he wants to give you a high five. High five, Bob. High five there. That's £2.50, please.
£2.50. I've only got £2.30. Is that all right?
£2.50, yeah. I can see that's £2.50.
Excuse me, mate.
Hey, mate.
Hello, Peter Gruner. I'm from the Islington Tribune.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I did a story on you and the cat?
You taking the mic?
Oh, can I pet him?
You can try, just behind the ears, though.
I see, you're a human interest story.
What's that?
Would you mind?
Huh? Oh, right, yeah, sure.
Look this way, Bob.
Bob, go over there.
Bob. Lovely.
I see you in the headlights. I see you in the headlights. The city built on aspiration, all summed up in a quotation. Somewhere 60, there you go. On the avenue, life was good and good for you. Circle of a spotlight, silhouette against the dark night. Everybody wants to make
I'll leave that one. That's for the tune.
any chance you gotta take it. Somewhere on the avenue.
You need this more than me.
Good and good for you. Broken hearts walk through bad.
Thank you.
Forgotten dreams sing lonesome blues. They're all hoping that is.
Come on, Bob.
Mate, there's nothing there. It's empty, mate. I know you're hungry, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh, yes, mate. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Oh, he's adorable.
This is Bob. You want to say hello? Say hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Care for a big issue, madam?
Yes. So actually, we came to see the cat.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, Graham can't stop talking about it.
Yeah, he's beautiful, isn't he? Where's he from? I found him. You like Bob? £2.50,
Oh,
please.
right.
Yeah, he's my best mate.
We want the best for him.
There you go.
All of that.
Thank you very much. Yeah, of course, yeah.
Well, actually, what I mean is I'd be willing to take him. Well, to buy him. Even. How
He's
much?
not for sale.
Well, look, obviously, this isn't the best environment for an animal, living on the street and all that. Yes, all right, darling. Look,
well,
and
we've got
we'd
a
be able
flat,
to
so
give him
don't-
all the
don't worry.
things that you can't, like a decent home. And
He's not for
I'm sure
sale.
you could use the cash. How much do you want?
I don't want your money. How about how much for your kid? I'll trade you. Yeah, I'll give him a
Excuse
decent
me?
home.
How dare you? That's exceptionally rude.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, did you see a cat coming here? Little ginger cat, no? Bob! 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 Bob!
these two? I used to see them all the time when he was singing. But look at this. This guy and his cat are all over YouTube. Look at the hits. Over 1 million. And they're on Instagram and Facebook.
That is so cute.
Look at that. Incredible.
So you're thinking a book?
Bob! Bob! Hey! Hey, mister! Where have you been, hey? Where have you been? Oh, Bob. Where have you been?
I'm proud of you, James. So, what are you going to do now?
Well, first thing, I want to try and find a way to thank you.
Ah, come here.
All right, come on, mister. Let's go. Come on. Yeah.
You take care of yourself.
And you. Thanks, Val.
Well, we were thinking a book, for starters. We'd like to team you up with a ghostwriter.
He'll help you tell your story. Sorry, stories. We think it would make a great book.
Or a series of books. The important thing is we need to get hold of you.
I don't actually have a phone currently.
Okay, we can sort that. Should we get one for Bob?
I think we can share.
Oh.
Looks like he wants to write it, though.
I think he does.
What are you...
I'm clean, Dad.
Clean as what, like...
Everything. I wanted to apologize. For everything. I don't blame you for giving up on me. No, Dad, I don't want your money.
I didn't give up on you. I was ashamed of myself. I was never afraid to fly. I just didn't know how to do. I didn't know how to be your father. I'm the one who needs to apologize.
No.
Jack, what are you doing out there?
I'm talking to my son. And my grandson.
I just loved it. Every word.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
James, we're about to start.
Hi, everyone. Didn't expect there to be so many people here. I could make some joke about there not being enough room to swing a cat, but I don't think Bob would like that. A friend helped me with this. Luckily for me, I had some very important companions to help with my second chance. And then she said to just tell the truth. And that's what I've done.
Absolutely lovely,
Hi.
mate. Well done.
Thank you. Little paw print there.
Thank you so much.
There you go. You enjoy that?